Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dream Power. Now today I will show you how to make an amazing 3D spin effects logo. Now let's start the tutorial. Just follow my steps. Today I am going to show you how to make this. You can use your own style, own color and own logo, any image, PNG, JPG or any text you want. Now let's start the tutorial. Open your Adobe After Effects application. Go to Adobe After Effects application. Then create a new composition. Name it logo intro. Then click on make it 1920 by 1080. Then click on OK. Okay, now our comp is ready. Now let's make a new solid. Go to layer, go to new and make a new solid. Name it background because we are going to use it like a background. It is also 1920 by 1080. Keep it black. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Okay, now our background is ready. Now we are going to make the amazing particles effect. For the particle effect we have to make another solid. Now let's make another solid. Go to layer and new, then go to solid. This time name it particles. Then keep it also 1920 by 1080. Then color it as you want. You can color any color you want, but for now I am going to choose this color. This looks so pretty to me. Then click on OK. Enter. Okay, now our composition is almost seeing animation. Our background and our particle layer is ready. Now it's time to make the particle solid like a ball. You have to attach a plugin here. For that, first go to rectangle tool, take the ellipse tool here, or you can use rectangle or any tool you want. I'm going to take the ellipse tool, then draw a circle on it. Make sure the particle layer is selected. If it is not selected, the circle will not like this. Make sure that you are selected the particle layer. Okay, now our circle is ready. Now we are ready to make it like a ball. Now it is like a ball but not like I want. Now go to effects and presets panel, search for CC ball action, drop the plugin into your ball. Okay, now you can see, if we zoom out it a little bit, you can see that here a small ball. Here you can see there is a small ball surrounding here. Okay, now keep the work area as much as you want. Take the work area and as much as you want, keep that. I am going to make my logo intro for 6 seconds. I am going to make it 6 seconds long. That's why I keep it 6 seconds forward. Okay, now my timeline is for 6 seconds. Okay, now this is a ball but it is not covered all the screen, so I have to edit something. Go to scatter amount and increase it 200. Now you can see that our background is fully covered, but I have to increase it also. Use 300. You are free to use your own style. You can increase or you can decrease. I am increasing. Make it 700. It looks nice to me. Or 600 also nice. Okay, now grid spacing keep it 2 and ball size in 50. Okay, now our animation ball is looking like a Z space 3D space background. Okay, now our background is ready. It is looking so amazing. Now let's start to animate it. Okay, now we can see that our ball is not moving. So to move the ball, select the particle layer, then make sure your timeline is on fast frame, then click on here this time watch, then go to 6 seconds long, as much you want. I am going to make it 6 seconds, then increase it about, okay, then play it. Now you can see that our ball is moving around all the background, it is covering all the background and looking so amazing. Okay, now our animation is ready. Now it's time for the amazing part, to make the 3D text. Okay, to make it the text, you have to take a new text layer, go to layer, new, and take a new text layer and type anything you want. Then scale it a little bit, click on scale, select the layer and click on your keyboard S. You can adjust the scaling, click on S, here it is scale, then increase scale from here. Okay, now let's play it a bit. Now you can see that our text is not moving like 3D, but the background is moving. We are almost there. Let's start to animate the text layer. First, make the text 3D. Here 3D option, select the 3D option, make it 3D. If you have not this switch, just click on toggle switches, you can here have the switch. Okay, then make the text layer 3D layer, then go to rectangular tool and take the rectangular tool from here, then draw a little bit square in your text. Now you can see that the text is not showing here, only some space is seeing. Now after drawing it, go to your mask panel, then go to mask and mask expansion, go to fast frame and click on this watch. You can see here it is the time watch, then go to 5 second long, 1 second fast. Okay, then increase it as you want. Okay, now you can see that. Now let's preview it. Wow, now you can see that our text is animating. Our text is fully appearing from bottom to two sides. You can edit many things, you can use here any option you want, but for now I am going to keep it simple. Okay, to make the text layer a 3D view, to give it 3D view, I have to make a new camera tool. Go to layer, go to new, then make a camera and make sure the preset is 28 millimeters, then click on OK. Okay, now go to camera, go to transform and select the position stopwatch icon. First go to fast frame, make sure it is on fast frame, then go to position time watch, then go to 1 second long, then take the camera tool here and move it as you want. You can move anywhere you can want in 3D space. Here I am moving it, then again get another 1 second long and rotate it as you want. You are free to style your own. I am styling it a little bit here. Okay, now keep it here like this. Okay, now our animation is ready. Now let's preview it. Wow, now our animation is fully ready. Now we have one thing is missing, the song. Now let's adjust the song. You can add any sound effect. I am going to add my sound effect. Here it is the sound. Okay, now take the sound into your composition, drop it on here. Okay, now let's preview it. Okay, now you can see our logo is ready, fully and final. Thanks for watching my video. if you like my tutorial video, then please give a small like to us and please subscribe to my channel for more amazing video. And I give the sound effect link, this download link, this in the description. Go to description, you can download the sound effect. And if you want to learn more tutorial, please click on the video links in below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you next video.